All right, so as you saw, I just organized my wood a little bit. So here we are. I have a decent pile of medium logs, good pile of smaller logs that'll burn pretty quick, and then I have this set up here. This stick and this stick are both previously burnt, so they got charcoal on them. Small sticks and kindling in there, and I got my leaves, dry oak leaves, up underneath. And I'm gonna wait another 20-30 minutes or so and then get this fire going so I can get some coals going so that I can cook my steak. Oh, there's another turkey feather. Nice. It's about 4 o'clock. I figure it's about time to get the fire started. It's gonna take a good hour or two to really get coals good and hot for me to cook on. So get these leaves lit and you'll see how this works. Step over here. So. Oh yeah, we're good. I'm gonna let this fire burn, add to it, and with any luck, in about an hour and a half or two, we'll have some coals good enough to cook my steak on. Alright, so as you can see, I've had this fire burning down quite a bit. I've made myself a little oven with the logs, putting these medium-sized sticks up inside of that oven basically. And got a good amount of coals going. What I'm going to do now is basically let the fire die down so that it's just coals. And then I'm going to push a good amount up towards the front here, widen these two logs a little bit, and then I'll have a good coal-based cook-on. Perfect. So for dinner tonight, we have one ribeye steak. It is going to be amazing. I'm going to cook it right on the coals. First things first, move this honey butter. I'm going to try widen this up just a touch. Perfect. Whew, the fire is hot. And then what I want to do is grab coals from up under there. That should be good. Then what I'll do is take my steak, plop it right on the coals. I've never done this before, I've seen it done, but in theory, say in theory because I haven't done it, in theory, I'm waiting for the wind to switch so I'm not getting smoked out again. I should be able to put this right there. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot. Should be able to put that right on the coals, and the coals will stick to it, cook it, and then once the steak is cooked, done on that side, they won't stick anymore, and I should be able to flip it. That's the theory. We're gonna see if it works. If this fails, I'm going to be fasting tonight. And very upset. Alright, time to flip. Off of there. Well, no, it could go a while more. It wasn't near as done as I thought it was when I first looked at it. Give it another minute. Alright. Let's see if I can make this any better. Ooh, don't want that. Get that fire out there. It's a grease fire. All right, now she gets to rest for a few minutes. I'll show you guys in a second. First of all, turn you. Not the worst looking steak in the world. Pretty good too, pretty good looking. I'll let it rest for a few. Set it right here. Let's cut into this bad boy, see how it tastes. That is not clean whatsoever, but whatever. Pretty rare, pretty rare. So I kind of expected. I can always throw it back on for a few. But little coals in there, a little crunchy. A little charcoal never killed anybody either. Pretty good. I'd give it 6.5 to 7 out of 10. It's alright. Like I said, I wish I left it on for another minute or two. I got impatient, which my wife is going to laugh about because that's what I always do. I'm going to sit here, eat my steak, watch the fire struggle to get back up, and in about an hour or so, I'm going to head over to that bean field I passed on the way in. Do a little glassing. See you then.